Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Just to give context before I explain further, Nebraska's winters are really cold, and at least for 3 months during winter I store my bike away in the garage. At least during December, January and February it gets really cold, and also it snows, so you can't really ride during those 3 months at least. And other than cold, when it snows there will be a lot of ice as well, which is not really motorcycle friendly. So what I was thinking is to get a mini bike like a Grom or something and modify it out, add some knobbies to it and make it an off-road bike, which also works well during winter even if there is some amount of snow on the roads. But then when I was thinking about it, I said to myself, maybe I will do something which is environmentally friendly and get an electric bike. So I was looking around, and there are some electric bikes at around $3,000 to $4,000 in the starting range, but they are not as good as the electric motorcycles which start from like say $8,000 or $9,000. Their range is very low, and the top speeds are limited to around 40 miles per hour. I mean, that is enough for what I am looking for, but when I buy an electric motorcycle which is street legal, I still have to register it and pay taxes. So while I was doing my further research on that, I was looking at electric cycles as well, and they are pretty good. There are wide range of options from $400 or $500 to $10,000. So the options vary between a huge range, and their top speeds are not that low. One of the bikes within $1,000 that I was checking, the electric bicycle has a top speed of 30 miles per hour. Till now I never had an idea about how electric bikes work and their ranges or options that they have, but I was surprised looking at it. So I was thinking if I should get an electric bicycle which I can also ride around during winters, even if there is some amount of snow. And the advantage is it is very lightweight. It might weigh about 60 or 70 pounds, that's it. So I wouldn't have to struggle to control the cycle when I am riding, even if there is snow or some ice on the roads. So that is how my thought process went there. My current option is that I will pre-record a few videos and I will upload one each week during winters, because I wouldn't be able to record any new videos during that time. Also, if I get a electric bike, it will be so quiet that I can ride around in certain neighborhoods, and people wouldn't even notice that I am there. If I buy something like Honda Grom, it will obviously make more sound, and it is still a street legal bike that I have to register and pay taxes on that again. So considering all those parameters, to me it feels like getting electric bicycle makes more sense for the usage that I am planning to do. I wouldn't go on a main street like this or a highway during winters, even if I buy a street legal electric motorcycle, because it's not safe and it will be extremely cold. All I can do is ride around in certain neighborhoods where the speed limits are like 15 to 25 miles per hour. So that's what I am thinking that I would do. Let me know in the comments about what you think. Talk to you guys in the next video. Bye.